Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe at the moment is down from this price of nearly the last time you went to 10,000, killed the zero, and you literally went all the way down. First of all, 61%, and now you're also discounted for 50%. Two comments about it is that the RSI does say that it's a good idea to try to get Pepe. Simple put, okay? I think Pepe is going to pump a little bit and give us a relief, in my opinion, because nothing goes straight down, as I said time and time again in the channel. And the thing is that we may see Pepe just climb up a little bit to 25%. And another thing is that if you notice, we have a very flat line structure, and the RSI is having a push up, creating a bullish divergence. On the 4-hour time frame, we're completely oversold right now, so it's time to maybe just go back up. So the highest you may really push up again is going to be probably to that trend line, retest the trend line, and who knows, get rejected, fall down, whatever goes happens. I cannot be very sure what's going to happen next from there. And I'm pretty sure that there's this little bit of a trend line that we can also expect to be touched. Perhaps we may see a move up to nearly 7,478 once again. And to invalidate everything that I just said, I think if Pepe drops down to 4,005, this is going to be a dead end for me. We might see all the way a push all the way down to 2,959, and then probably this right here can be your next best buying bid. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.